often get questions about which book to solve from, where to study from, what study material is good, what study resource is good, etc. Please note that as long as the study resource is standard enough and has numericals pertaining to your competitive entrance exam, there might be somewhat of a difference between two different study resources, but there is not huge amount of a difference. Let's understand this. It is like asking the question, which is the road on which we should learn to drive a car? The road is not important. You learning to drive the car, that is important. So as long as it's a standard road without too many hurdles or puddles or too much dirt on it, if it's a standard concrete road, you will be able to learn to drive a car on that road. Or it's like asking, which swimming pool should I learn swimming in? As long as the swimming pool is deep enough, wherein your feet are at one position touching the bottom of the swimming pool, at other position not touching the bottom of the swimming pool, you can learn swimming in that swimming pool, if provided that it is clean enough and the water is of a certain appropriate temperature. So the question which book or books we should study from and obsessing over it is little absurd actually. The question that you should be actually asking is, how well do I know this particular chapter or concept or topic? Do I need to understand and revise this more? Do I need to understand and revise the formulae and the concepts more? Do I need to solve different types of questions? Have I covered all the types of questions that I should be covering in this particular chapter or topic? This is the pertinent and the useful question to be asked. And the question as to which book exactly to solve from, that question is little absurd. The answer to that question is any standard book will do, as long as it has the level of questions and the type of questions that are going to be asked in your competitive entrance exams present inside it. So obsession over which book to study from is detrimental. Sometimes some students are just accumulating books and just focusing all their time, energy and resources in accumulating books, and they hardly are going to get time to study from those books. Instead of thinking what books I covered or what books I completed and getting a dopamine release in the brain saying that okay, these many books I completed, and getting a dopamine release socially speaking by telling other friends okay, these many books I have completed, instead of that, you should rather focus upon covering the concepts. That is the solid advice which would propel you forward in your journey of achieving the best possible marks that you can according to your optimal potential in the competitive entrance exam that you are preparing for. As always, we wish you in all your endeavors light speed.